Alright guys, so I want to do a monster garage. So first step is first, I'm gonna clean the garage, the door. So basically I got these table covers from Five Below, and I cut them in half, and I'm gonna tape them onto the garage, like segment by segment. Okay, one panel down. Several more to go. Alright, here you can see I already did two. Well, I did 1.5. So it's easier to fold the tape, you know, and then just stick it to the garage this way. I found that to be the easiest way. Alright, so I cut my styrofoam that I got at Home Depot first with an X-Acto knife, and then I am cutting the edges off with this foam cutter. I think I cut that one too deep. Alright, here you could see I put some gray around the teeth just to give it a little bit of depth. So I'm going to finish doing it. It was raining for the last day, so I wasn't able to, so we're going to finish the teeth. We only have a few on here. So I just put glue on the back, and then I just stick it here. Alright, so I am going to make the eyes of the monster. Hi!
Hi!
We're gonna make... Oh my goodness, we're gonna make the eyes of the monster for the garage. So I took one of the sheets and I cut it in half, and I'm just gonna draw like a design on here.
Gonna cut a piece?
And then I'm gonna cut it, yeah. Alright, we'll see how that turns out. Time to start painting the eyes. The eyeballs are from the Dollar Tree. I just kind of glued them on there with the glue gun. So we're gonna glue this stuff to the garage so it can stick up there. Okay guys, so here you can see where I secured these bigger teeth to this piece of wood. That's like one long piece of wood all the way across. So what I did is I glued, with the glue gun, I glued the teeth to the actual, like, it's not a 2x4, but the piece of wood, and then I secured it with duct tape just because I thought, oh well, maybe it's too flimsy, and then I put like a piece of bamboo here with duct tape just so it's more sturdy. And then there you could see where I glued it, and then there you could see how it's one piece of wood here on this side and one on this side. I just kind of like hammered it on there, so when it comes off, it'll come off in two pieces. Hopefully we'll be able to store it. Not sure if I'll use it again though. Alright guys, so here is the final result of the monster garage. You could see that the teeth, the bottom jaw of the teeth looks like it's like closing its mouth.
It looks cool.
Yeah, and then I put some LED lights up here, and we can change the color of the lights. See?
Yeah, you can change it teal.
Yeah.
So you can change it to here.
So of course we can change the lights up there too, and we'll give you the full tour of the display. We're just not done with it, so I don't want to do it yet, but let us know what you guys think of the monster garage. Alright guys, so you could see this awesome LED light screen that we got from Divoom. It's a company, and I'll put a link in the description for the website. And it's not sponsored, but just wanted to show you how cool it was. And here's a few examples And here you could see it's like a cute little ghost.
But then what
And I'll show
happened?
you what other things you guys can put on there here on the app,
But
and then you could see it
what
there.
happened to his mouth?
Okay guys, so here is the app, and when you open it you see there's the ghost that was on the display. You can choose several different types of displays. They're all super cute. Like I think they're all like fan made. Anyway, you can also do different types of animations and program them in. I haven't played too much with the animations, but I've just been kind of displaying their displays that are already on the app. But there's so many cool ones to choose from. Yeah, you can also do custom designs, you know, for yourself, or you can write them in. You know, you could do like an animation where the whole word kind of scrolls by, but I just did doing this real quick. So yeah, so let us know what you guys think of this super cool app. I think it's pretty cool. It's also a really cool,
You see switch?
yeah.
Hey, wait.
Let me show you. It also can be like a clock. Here you can see it looks like Maleficent. So there's a bunch of cool things. If you guys want to check out this awesome LED light, it comes with its, like right now I don't have it plugged in because I already charged it, but you could also have it like on, plugged in, and it won't run out of battery. But it's super cool, so I don't know what design to put on it, but I want to put it in the window.
No.
Check this one out, guys. You'll float too. See the balloon?
Yeah,
And then Pennywise.
Pennywise, but what
And
about...
these are all like fan submitted art. And you can also animate your own art and put it on there. I haven't animated anything, but yeah, it's so cool. I love it. Oh my god, guys, check it out. It's so cute. Check it out. Cool. Alright guys, so I hope you guys like this video and this Divoom LED light screen. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll talk to you later.